Last year was where the confidence resides. This year, we're gold digging. Good morning, A1s, and welcome back to my channel. So look, y'all, hopefully you guys all enjoy my St. Martin vlog. As you guys know, I have been to St. Martin before, so that was my second time going, and it was my dear cousin Ashley Sellers. Y'all know my cousin. This was her 4th annual trip to St. Martin. So all of like her close friends, her best friends, her cousins, we all, every year we go. So I think maybe next year is gonna be her last one. So we'll see if it is, if it isn't. But nonetheless, I had fun. It was cool. I'm gonna be honest, the trip was a little bit different for me this time around, and more so because my back was hurting so bad. So I know I told you guys that I would finally let y'all know what was going on with me. So make a long story short, last Monday I woke up and my back was in excruciating pain. Like, I just didn't know what it was. And this may be a little bit of TMI, but I thought it was because I had a urinary tract infection. Any of you guys who've ever had one, do you understand where I'm coming from? Because and I've told you guys this before, so this is not nothing to be like losing y'allself about, but I'm not the best at drinking water. I drink a lot of soda, coffee. So nonetheless, I thought that's what it was. I'm like, okay, because I felt this before, but that's actually not what was wrong. I actually sprained something in my back. So make a long story short, yeah, it's crazy. So I was effed up on the trip. I'm not gonna lie, like I was effed up, and you know, a few other things was going on. So it wasn't like necessarily just like, oh my God, like the best trip I've ever had. But at the same time, you know, I still made the best out of it, things of that sort. So what I want to say is, St. Martin, I love you. I mean, I love this. I love St. Martin. Had such an amazing time. If you guys have never went before, make sure you guys watch that video, because I gave a lot of good tips as to like where to stay, places to go, things of that sort. But yeah, I wanted to start the vlog off like that. So what I'm doing now, y'all know, and I'm gonna keep premiering and letting y'all know, because that's how you support yourself, that's how you market yourself. I am coming out with a project, and I told you guys about it in my last vlog, but I just want to kind of preface this video because right now, I know some of y'all was talking about my body and said the body going crazy. Y'all, my body is not really going that crazy. I was sucking in a lot of that stuff. But now I'm about to get my body right, because my photo shoot is on Saturday. And yeah, I need everything to be looking snatched, honey, in these pieces. So with that being said, I know it's been a minute. This is not sponsored. Before anybody get to hollering saying, is this a sponsored video? This is not sponsored, but as y'all can see, Keisha Kayor, honey, we about to get you popping right back off, because I need to lose some weight. So I just made me some tea this morning, like literally just now before I hopped on the vlog, and I'm about to go ahead and pull one of these babies out and let it sit, because I need my stomach to be on flat when I go out of town. Because I said when I go out of town, because I am going out of town again, but I meant to say I need to be on flat when I go out of town, and when I do my photo shoot this weekend. So yes, we going out of town again, y'all, but y'all gonna see. Just stay tuned for that, honey. So yes, we have our tea, and I'm about to just push it on in there so it can start doing its thing. But y'all, I need to lose like maybe like 2 or 3 pounds, like literally before Saturday. While our tea does that, I want to show y'all what came. I have to show y'all what came in the mail yesterday. I'm so excited. Hold one second. Do y'all see this? Do y'all see that? Hold one second. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited. Everything, yes, my poly mailers are in. I am so excited to premiere what I have been working on. Y'all, I'm so excited to premiere this. Like, it's been a year since I have had this thought, and I've done a lot of research, been doing a lot of different things, but I said for quarter 4, those are my corporate bays. Y'all know we talk that corporate talk, them quarter talks. Then y'all know I was like, I have to pop this off Q4. It was supposed to pop off officially in when is my birthday? May. So that's technically Q2. Yeah, Q2 is when I was supposed to pop it off. But we popping it off in Q4, which is all good because we're gonna still do what it do. So I'm excited. I hope y'all support me. Just know anything I do is gonna be clean, organized, and most of all affordable, because we gotta make sure we look out for one another, honey. But anyway, y'all, so ain't nothing going on. I'm working. It's early AF in the morning, and I am walking around the house looking like this, get myself together. I don't have any Zoom meetings today, and if I do, all I'm gonna do is plop this off and be done with it. So I love y'all. Thank y'all for supporting me. Again, if you haven't, go watch the St. Martin vlog, and I'm gonna see you guys a little bit later on. It's another nail time, y'all. Pick y'all up. Ooh, spooky season is on the way. So Iman is about to do one of her.
Ain't that showing up.
Something. She about to do something crazy to me. So y'all stay tuned and make sure y'all book her if y'all in Atlanta. Is it even a crumb?
I gotta think about it. Let me see.
Trying to pick my head. Ah, that pinky. That pinky. You had to pick that one. It's dead testing me. Look, why you had to pick that finger?
No, it's all.
Y'all felt so old today. My nephew had his game today, his homecoming game. It was supposed to be tomorrow, but they moved it forward because of the hurricane. And I saw some of my students I taught the first year teaching. They in 10th grade now.
Whoa.
Ooh.
Yes.
10th?
Yeah, you're old.
They was hollering. They was like, "This is my favorite teacher, y'all. This is my favorite teacher."
Oh my God.
What was they, 3rd grade?
Yeah, this was 4th grade. I taught 4th grade. And you're in 10th grade now.
Ooh.
Yep.
Hey, ooh.
I was like, oh my God.
Finished product, y'all. I don't know if y'all can see, but Iman gave me some bone nails. I hate that I have these because guess what, y'all? I have to get them off literally tomorrow because my photo shoot, I will be having basic nails. I will not be having nothing crazy. So yeah, unfortunately, I'm only keeping this for a day, but these are super bomb though.
Okay, you turn. You join back. Oh, okay.
I don't think you can put stuff like this on the internet. Yeah. That's perfect. Oh, yeah. No, it's perfect. Yeah, France is A1.
Two more from the front, two more.
Make sure I ain't got no camel toe.
I'll give you another one. Cute.
I'm sitting here looking at Keisha like, do you love me? Do you love me now?
Okay, side.
Yeah, we hit the spot.
Give me three more from the front, three more.
Whew. Alright, really, I stuck in with this motherfucker.
Two more. Cute. Give me another one.
Make sure I don't be moving too much.
3, 2, 1.
Every day, everywhere, everything. Pump myself up.
Oh, shit.
Damn, I fucked this up.
You good.
Okay.
Okay, 3, 2, 1.
Every day, everywhere, everything. Cause I'm thinking greasy, beautiful cover girl. So
3, 2, 1.
every day, everywhere, everything. Cause because I'm putting everything right here. That's my big.
Oh,
Okay. Y'all, I went and got my makeup done today. She went crazy. Y'all, it's so much going on. So as you guys may see a sneak peek, I had a photo shoot yesterday for my brand, everything, and I'm so excited, y'all. Like, when I tell y'all, just wait on it. That's all I gotta say, and all I'm gonna say is clean, organized, affordable. That's what y'all about to see, so just stay tuned. But anyway, so Sunday is cleaning, getting ready for the work week, all of the above. Plus, I'm going out of town, guys. So it's just a lot going on. So let me tell y'all what I have done. Woke up really early today, and I decided that I am throwing away 60% of my closet, giving it a Goodwill, and then my mom is gonna take some clothes to some people she knows, because my mom, she's retired now. Shout out to my mother. She retired this year, but she used to work in the school system, and she worked in the school system for like 28 years, I think. So make a long story short, sis is done with that. So now she is retired, so she's gonna take some clothes to some people she knows just from, you know, working in the school system, and she worked in like middle school, so it'll be perfect. So these are like clothes they'll be able to grow into, things of that sort. So I'm happy. Any way to give back, I'm all for it. And these clothes, some of them got tags on them, so I'm all for it. But 7 bags, y'all. Let me show y'all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and number 7. Like, this is ridiculous.
Jacket, Timothy, bang. Jean, jacket, Timothy,
Not you sleep.
bang.
He's trying to act like he's sleep.
Carol, I
Oh, you sleep for real?
I stand. Tina, I talk I
It's not, this is work time, not nap time.
Corrected. She's out there darting the tongue like this.
Oh, yeah. Huh?
Okay, who's first? Up, down, we ain't done nothing.
Oh, well, we about to get started, y'all, but,
be on camera.
Mama, I've not even turned the camera.
Okay.
Jesus. Anyway, so what I'm about to do now, y'all, is y'all know, well, y'all don't know because I have not revealed the date yet. Should I tell y'all in this vlog? I'm just go ahead and let y'all know. Sneak peek. So my lunch date is going to be October 16th. Stay tuned. I think I'm going to launch at noon. Maybe noon. I don't know what time, but it's going to be October 16th. Which is a Sunday, so y'all gonna be at home in y'all beds. Y'all ain't gonna be doing nothing, so ain't gonna be no reason why y'all can't shop. But what I'm about to do right now, my mom is about to help me. I'm literally about to tag all of my items and just organize and just put everything where it needs to be, so that, like I said, organization, affordability, clean. Those are the words of the day. So that's what I'm about to do now. So I'm gonna come back to y'all a little bit later on, because this is about to take a lot of time, and then we'll go from there. Okay, so I'm back real quick because I want to show y'all. So one thing y'all know about my channel, I'm all about transparency. I want everybody to win, so I did everything myself. God is my witness for my brand. I'm talking about, I can create the website myself. I ordered my inserts, my what's some things called when you put them in the bags, my poly mailers. Everything, like literally everything myself. Like, and y'all, when I tell y'all, I literally just said this on Twitter and I said it on Instagram, but I want to tell you guys too, my YouTube family, do your research. Like, one thing that makes me, it frustrates me, I'm not gonna lie, it makes me so mad when I see like these influencers or these gurus, these business people, and they like, oh, come join my class for $500 and I'm gonna teach you how to start your business, or I'm gonna teach you how to be successful. And then y'all go up in there and they telling y'all stuff that's literally for free. It's on YouTube and Google. Like, one thing about me, like, I'm all for everybody making money and doing what they gotta do, but when people get over on people, it makes me upset, because I know that this stuff is free and it's out there for the world. So literally, if you, sis, or man, whoever watching this vlog, if you guys want to start a business, Shopify. I made my website on Shopify and it was easy. It's gonna take time because you want to make sure it's right, but you don't have to pay for that. It's free. when you want to set your website up, of course you're gonna have to pay for like certain things, and you have to pay a monthly fee. But just to start for 16 days is a free trial. And no, y'all, this is not sponsored. This is me just giving y'all the game. Shopify. I went on Vistaprint. This is why I want to share with y'all, because I want y'all to see. So I went on Vistaprint and I spent $100, y'all. $100 for 1,000 of these. And this is what I'm gonna use when you guys, you know, my tags. I just wanted to show y'all because they're so cute. And then I just gotta poke the hole out. I bought the guns like to tag my clothes. I bought that from Amazon. It was like $20. Like, this is stuff that's like, if you worked in like retail when you was like in high school, college, then y'all know, like, that's what you do. You just buy a little gun and you just gonna be clicking it in. It's gonna be easy. So if you guys want to start hearing like my journey and like my process and like how, like, where I found all my stuff at, I don't have a problem with telling y'all that, because I want everybody to win. But like, don't go out here like paying for like free information. Just get on YouTube and say, how do I start my own boutique? It's out there. Like, it's not hard, you know what I'm saying? So anyway, I just wanted to come back real quick and tell y'all that, because I'm just like so happy. It's just, and I also too, sometimes I feel like, and then I don't want to be on no soapbox, but I have to say this part, like, when you do something yourself and you spend your own money and you put everything into perspective for yourself, it's gonna make you go harder. When you be paying, like, to me, it's like when you pay for like a class or somebody to teach you the game, I just don't see how you can go that hard, because it's like you didn't even take the time out to do your own research. Like, you're not passionate. In my opinion, it's like you're not passionate enough about it, because you didn't even want to do your own research. You rather pay somebody $500 to tell you something you could have found out for free. But anyway, that's my soapbox. If you don't like it, hey, I'm gonna just tell y'all how I feel. But anyway, I'm gonna see y'all in a minute. I just wanted to come and share that with y'all really quick. Whew, y'all, when I tell y'all, I literally could have never imagined that it would take this long to tag everything, but thank God my mother and my brother helped me. Jesus, like, y'all just don't understand. I'm so blessed. Like, I'm just so blessed, because there's no way I would have been able to do this by myself and finish today. Like, this would have took all week, but I'm so happy. But everything comes so cute. I'll show y'all something. Can y'all see? Well, not really, but we done, y'all. So anyway, stay tuned. Just bear with me. But like I said, everything is gonna be, and you already know. Showing y'all a little bit of the process. So this, doing everything myself. Literally everything. Everything, honey. That's the next word for the day. Everything.
Persian eyes, but she's from Nicaragua. Thought she was Persian love.